Hey guys, I'm excited to share the best bike frames in this video. After much research, I found these products helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. AGFKIN CF054MTB Bike Frame. The AGFKIN CF054MTB 12V carbon mountain bike frame is a high-quality 29er mountain bike frame made of carbon fiber. It features a 12x148 through axle, which increases stiffness and improves wheel clearance for larger tires. The frame is also designed for a BSA 73 bottom bracket and features a 118-1/2 tapered steerer tube. The frame includes internal cable routing, which protects the cables and wires from the elements and gives the bike a clean, streamlined look. It is also compatible with disc brakes, which provide excellent stopping power in all weather conditions. The AGFKIN CF054MTB 12V carbon mountain bike frame is designed for 12-speed drivetrains, which provide a wide range of gearing options for tackling any terrain. It also has a modern geometry that provides a comfortable riding position and stable handling. Overall, the AGFKIN CF054MTB 12V carbon mountain bike frame is a high-quality frame that offers excellent performance and durability for mountain biking. Number 4. Spcycle 29er Carbon MTB Frame. The Spcycle 29er Carbon MTB frame is designed for cross-country mountain biking and is made of high-quality T1000 carbon fiber using EPS, expanded polystyrene, technology. This makes the frame super light and strong, with a modern geometry that provides a comfortable riding position and stable handling. The Spcycle 29er Carbon MTB frame is compatible with a 148x12mm boost rear axle spacing, which provides increased stiffness and improved wheel clearance for larger tires. It also features internal cable routing, which protects the cables and wires from the elements and gives the bike a clean, streamlined look. The frame has a tapered head tube, which enhances steering precision and control, and it is available in sizes 15.5 inches, 17.5 inches, and 19 inches. The Spcycle 29er Carbon MTB frame is designed for a 100mm suspension fork, which provides a smooth ride over rough terrain. Overall, the Spcycle 29er Carbon MTB frame is a high-quality frame that offers excellent performance and durability for cross-country mountain biking. Number 3. Thrust Carbon Frame. The Thrust Carbon Frame is a 29er mountain bike frame made of high-quality carbon fiber. It is available in sizes 15, 17, and 19. Making it suitable for a range of riders. The frame is designed to be lightweight and strong, with a modern geometry that provides a comfortable riding position and stable handling. The Thrust Carbon frame is compatible with both BSA and BB30 bottom brackets, giving you the flexibility to choose the type of crankset that suits your needs. It also features a boost rear axle spacing of 148-12mm, which increases stiffness and improves wheel clearance for larger tires. The frame includes internal cable routing, which protects the cables and wires from the elements and gives the bike a clean, streamlined look. It is also compatible with a Quadro Carbon MTB 29er fork, allowing you to build a complete bike that is optimized for performance on the trail. Number 2. Tsunami SM100 Bicycle Frame. The Tsunami SM100 is a fixed-gear carrier kit that includes a lightweight aluminum racetrack frame in sizes 49 cm, 52 cm, 55 cm, and 58 cm. The frame is designed to be durable and strong, making it suitable for everyday commuting or recreational riding. The Tsunami SM100 frame features a sleek modern design with clean lines and a matte finish. It is available in several different colors, including black, white, blue, green, and orange, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your style. The frame is designed for fixed gear or single-speed riding, and it features horizontal dropouts that make it easy to adjust the chain tension. It also includes a rear carrier rack, which provides a convenient place to carry your belongings while riding. Overall, the Tsunami SM100 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a lightweight and durable fixed-gear carrier frame. However, as mentioned earlier, I'm incapable of providing personal reviews or opinions. Number 1. BXT Brand T1000 Carbon MTB Frame. The BXT brand T1000 Carbon MTB frame is a 29er carbon bike frame designed specifically for mountain biking. It is made of high-quality T1000 carbon fiber, which is known for its excellent stiffness and strength-to-weight ratio. The frame is available in two sizes: 17 inches and 19 inches. The BXT brand T1000 Carbon MTB frame has a modern geometry that provides a comfortable riding position and stable handling. It features internal cable routing to keep the cables and wires tidy and protected from the elements. The frame has a tapered head tube, which enhances steering precision and control. The BXT brand T1000 Carbon MTB frame is compatible with both 14,212mm and 1,359mm rear wheel spacing, giving you the flexibility to choose the wheelset that suits your needs. It also has a post-mount disc brake system, which provides reliable stopping power in all conditions. Overall, the BXT brand T1000 Carbon MTB frame is a high-quality frame that offers excellent performance and durability for mountain biking.